Hello everyone, I am Roshni Jain from RSJ Polytechnic Shirpur. Today we are going to discuss about the concept probability. So probability means possibility. For example, there is a chance of rain today, or there is a 20% chance of rain tomorrow. Also, the another example is that probably I will get a distinction in university examinations. Means all the possibility examples are the probability. These are the very important concept to find the examples of the probability. So very first is the random experiment, an experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact output cannot be predicted in advance. It's called a random experiment. For example, tossing a fair coin, rolling a die, drawing a card from a pack of well shuffled cards, and etc. So all are the examples of the random experiment in which all possible outcomes are known and the exact output cannot be predicted in advance. So next, sample space, the set of all possible outcomes of random experiment. Outcomes means output. For example, if the two coins are tossed, then the sample space S, which is equals to H for head and T for tail. So all possible outcomes of the two coins is H, T, and T. And the number of sample points is 4. That's why can be written as N of S, which is equals to 4. So next example is that in a rolling a die, sample space is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the N of S, number of sample points is 6. So N of S is 6. Next, event. Any subset of a sample space is called an event. So mathematical definition of the probability is that let S be the sample space of an experiment and E be the event, then E is a subset of S. Therefore, the probability of the event E, which is equals to P of E upon P of S, which is equals to number of favorable outcomes to event E divided by total number of possible outcomes. Let us see the examples. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? So there are 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. Here S is the sample space, which is equals to all possible outcomes, that is output of the 3 unbiased coin is what? T for tail and H for head. So T, TH, TTH, HTT, THH, HTH, HHT and HHH, and the number of sample points is what? N of S is equals to 8. So observe the question. What is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? So what is the meaning of at least? The word itself shows it starts from minimum. So always remember at least means minimum to maximum. That's why. So event of getting at least 2 heads, which is equals to at least means minimum to maximum. That's why only 4 points are selected in the event. So THH, HTH, HHT, HHH means at least minimum to maximum. That's why only 4 points are selected, and which is equals to N of E, sample points N of E is equals to 4. Therefore, by using the formula of the probability, P of E is equal to N of E upon N of S, which is equals to N of E is 4 divided by N of S is 8, and which is equals to 1 upon 2, and the option B is the correct answer. So next, in a simultaneous throw of 2 dice, what is the probability of getting a sum of upper face is 9. Again, there are 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. We know that a simultaneous throw of 2 dice, therefore the sample space is equals to, so pair of the dice, and the output is that 1, 1, 1, 2. It means, so first 1 is denoted by the first output of the first dice, and the second one is denoted by second dice of the first output. Similarly, 1, 2, 1, 3 and so on, 6, 6. And the number of sample points n of s is equals to 36. All are the possible outcomes of the throw of the two dice. So let E be the event of the gating. A sum of the upper face is 9, that is equals to, so only 4 points are selected because the sum is the 9. 3 plus 6 is a 9, 4 plus 5 is 9, 5 plus 4 is 9 and the 6 plus 3 is 9. Therefore n of E is equals to 4 and therefore P of E is equal to n of E upon n of S, which is equals to n of E is the 4 divided by n of S is 36, which is equals to 1 upon 9 and the option C is the correct answer. So next, one card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that the card drawn is either a red card or a king? Again, 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution. Here the sample space in which 52 cards, that's why number of sample points is also 52, that is n of s is equal to 52 cards. Now there are 26 red cards including 2 kings and there are 2 more kings in a 52 cards. So these 2 kings in the spade card and the club card, that's why 2 more kings and this is the 26 red card including 2 kings. So event is event of getting a red card or a king, that's why 26 plus 2 is 28 and therefore n of E is equals to 28. So next step is that, so therefore P of E is equals to n of E upon n of S, which is equals to 28 divided by n of S is 52, which is equals to 7 upon 13 and the option C is the correct answer. So this is the probability of the red card or a king. And the last example is that in a box there are 8 red, 7 blue and 6 green balls. One ball is picked up randomly. What is the probability that it is neither blue nor green? Again 4 options are given here. Let us see the solution and observe the question. There are 8 red, 7 blue and 6 green balls. That's why total number of balls is 8 plus 7 plus 6, which is equals to 21. This is a sample space. So let E be the event that the ball drawn is neither blue nor green. It means what? Event that the ball drawn is red. So therefore n of E is equals to 8 because the event that ball drawn is red and the red ball is the 8. That's why n of E is equals to 8. So therefore by using the probability formula, P of E is equals to n of E upon n of S, which is equals to n of E is 8 divided by n of S. Sample points is 21. So answer D is the correct answer and this is the probability of the red ball. Now in the next video lecture we learn the another concept of the aptitude. Okay, thank you.